What up, YouTube? Yeah, I got the Expert Grill, portable gas grill. And fellas at work decided that sometimes we might want to cook steaks, sausages, burgers, whatever at work. We got to be able to hide this grill in a toolbox. So when I got this from Walmart, it was $24.95, so I said $25. I'll show you how to put it together. Alright, we're going to start off with the top. The top has a Grill Expert logo on it, 2 holes in the top. Ain't too hard. Just take your handle, just stick them bolts through them holes, and then you're going to take this little plate right here. You want the edge pointed to the top. Alright, so now you got that pressed through there, you got your little plate on there. Grab your pack, your bolts, and get you 2 of these, and take both of them washers right there.
Both your washers on. You're getting tight.
So if you got your handle on right, it should look something like that. So you got your plate with the edge facing out. You got your 2 washers. You got your 2 screws. So that'll be your top. Alright, now we're gonna get the bottom together. You see that sticker right there, you know you got the bottom. But start on by putting these leg mounts on. You see they got 2 different size holes on them. One big, one small. When you put these on, you need these 2 tabs right here to be on the bottom. And they are size specific, so you gotta be careful. You take it, put that in that little slot, and pull it back. See how the holes line up? There you go in your little pack. You want to get A and C. Those 4 pieces. You go ahead and you get that screw from the A and C pack. You put the screw through, and then you put your little washer on the back right there. And then you might have to push it in, because that thing got a little bit of tension on it. And you take your screwdriver, you can hold that nut with your hands, that wing nut with your hands, and you just screw it in there. Get it tight till it touches.
Just keep on going until it gets tight. It's tight. Look, look. That thing should be touching, almost touching right here. Just close up that gap some. Now we'll go ahead and do another 3. Then we'll move on to the next part.
Alright, so if you look, I got that one on. I got that one on. Should have the big hole be empty on there. You got that one on. And that one on. And what those holes are for, they're for your legs, your 2 legs. So we'll put them on. Pretty simple. Go in there, one in the back. There you got it. Same thing. Alright. So I ended up getting them both on, but the leg should slide down that little slot right there. It's cut out. But what I ran into is these nuts, wing nuts on the back. You go to rotate that thing around, get hung up on that wing nut. It's best if you have that going straight up and down, not side to side. That way you got enough room to clear it when you go to put it down. Alright, now we're going to put in your grill grate holders. It comes with 2 of them, so you got holes. But you'll need these, and you'll need your, finally getting down to your B and your D bolts and nuts. You'll need 4 of each. But when you put it in there, you want to have this part right here facing up. So you just slide in there. Alright, now it's time to get our burner in. You're gonna need 3 things for this. You get this plate, lay the top front right there. You need your actual burner. You got that on there. And you're gonna need your last bolt out of the B-pack. Best way to maybe do this is to go ahead and get your screw through this hole right here like I got it. You take your plate facing the right way, and you line that hole up on that bolt, on that screw. And you let that sit on there. And you take this, your burner, facing like that, and there's a hole over here that you need to get this through first. Get that through the hole, and then you line it up in the back plate, and you screw it top.
You don't need a nut for this either, it's just tight. Alright. So that's what the inside of your grill should look like. Yeah. Remember I said something about that hole? That's the hole we want to get it through in the bottom of the grill. So we're about done.
So now it's time to put on the little grease guard. You can put that directly over the burner. That should protect you from having flare-ups and stuff. But you line it up with them on the side, both sides of here. Fold it down. There it is. Trying to get a video, Rocky Rock. And we'll go ahead and put on your regulator. There you go, right there. Should be pretty easy. I'm gonna leave this tag on here. Come in the hole. Screw that on in.